Hi, my name is Stephen Hanaway, and I'm an astronomer. Welcome to my YouTube channel. I run the Sidewinder Observatory, which is in my backyard, and I use my observatory to image objects in our night sky. I've decided to start making videos so I can explain the science behind different phenomena in our wonderful universe, and share how I process the images I take. I'm going to share my knowledge of astronomy from the perspective of a citizen scientist and astrophotographer, talk about cool astronomy gear, share my images and talk about them and explain what's going on in them. And I'm also going to make videos so that you can get the best out of the gear that you have or you plan on buying. Every day that I can, I upload a new image I've taken to my Facebook, Astronomy, and Discord. If you're interested in seeing my work, go ahead and check out the links in the video description below. I'm not the most seasoned astrophotographer out there, but I find that a lot of people I meet in the community are interested in learning what I know. So I'm going to share that here so it's easy to go back or hear it again if you need to. As far as making videos about astronomy in general, it's going to be fun and interesting, and it's going to be kind of a crash course in astronomy, physics, cosmology, and a few other fields. There's a lot that goes into all this. Now, if you're thinking that sounds boring, I'm going to talk about everything from the Big Bang and inflation to black holes and the science that we use to understand some of these extreme phenomena in our universe. Where there is math, I'm going to break everything down and explain how it works. And don't worry, I'm going to keep the math as simple as possible and do all the work for you. So stay tuned and check back here for future videos. And if you'd like, you can follow me on Facebook, Astrobin, or Discord. Clear skies!